Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this adorable sleep mask. It's perfect to use as a party favor for a sleepover or just to help you catch some extra Z's at night. For this project you will need about 30 yards of Paintbox yarn Simply Aran in the shades Ballet Pink and Paper White. Using the 3.25mm hook and the white yarn, I'm chaining 3, and then we'll make a total of 8 double crochet stitches into the third chain from my hook. Chain 2, which counts as your first double crochet, and turn. Double crochet into the same stitch. In each stitch around, double crochet increase, for a total of 18 stitches. Chain 2, which counts as your first double crochet, and turn. In the next stitch, double crochet increase. In the stitch after that, make 1 double crochet. Continue around the entire semicircle, making double crochet increases in the next stitch and then 1 double crochet in the stitch after that until you reach the end. Fasten off and set this piece aside. Repeat this process so you have 2 semicircles, then take the first and begin to single crochet along the entire edge of the semicircle. Once you have made it across, line up the semicircles and then make a single crochet directly into the corner of the next semicircle's edge. Continue to single crochet across the edge of that semicircle until you've reached the end of the other edge. You should now have 2 semicircles aligned with 1 line of single crochet. Make a total of 3 rows of single crochet. Do this by chaining 1, which will count as your first stitch, turning, and then single crocheting across. Once you've done this, switch to the light pink yarn and single crochet around the entire border of the piece. When you reach one of the corners of the semicircles, instead of continuing around to single crochet, you will now chain 65. Once you've chained 65, turn and slip stitch in each chain across. When you arrive back at your initial single crochet, continue on to single crochet across to the other side. Repeat this process of chaining 65, then slip stitching through those 65 chains on the other side of that mask, and then fasten off when you finished. And now you're done! If you'd like to make the designs on the front, all I did was use some gray yarn and a tapestry needle and weave it in and out of the semicircles to create the shape. Feel free to design it however you'd like.